If you bought a car for a girl on finance,
I can't lie.
It's hilarious. Hey, King Richez podcast, this is hilarious.
If you bought a car for a girl on finance and you break up with her, are you taking the car back?
Yeah.
You make me sick.
Why?
Okay, what about if it wasn't on finance?
I'm still taking it back.
Yeah, 100%.
It's my car. It's not hers. It's mine.
The thing is, when you're my girl, you're with me.
Yeah.
When you're not my girl, you're not with me.
You're on your own. You're in the wilderness.
See you later, adios.
Do you agree with them?
I mean, I hear it, but I don't know.
You're in the wilderness.
So
now.
what is the point of a gift?
What's the point?
What is a gift?
A gift, is like rewarding someone's good behaviour.
Yeah, no, it's true.
Yeah,
No.
You don't get a gold star in primary school if you're misbehaving.
that's what I'm saying.
So you
Yeah.
not
So
giving,
if
so you're
my
not,
girl is misbehaving,
Have a new
headache,
have a new
I
car.
should give her, here's
Have
a new car. Here's the keys,
yeah,
babe.
Take this actually.
so you would only give someone a gift because they've made you happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why would I
They're
be
doing
with
the right thing.
Why would I be with a woman?
Yeah.
Wait. The whole thing. Why would I be with a woman who's not making me happy? I'm with her for the reason that she's making me happy.
In general, because you're still gonna be with the girl. Like sometimes she's not gonna make you happy, or is she gonna make you happy all the
Yeah,
time?
and on that one day, I'm not gonna be like, give me that car.
Yeah,
back.
if she's doing the right thing and I feel happy with her, why wouldn't I treat her? Think about
So
it.
now, but what I'm saying is you've treated her now.
Yeah.
Months have gone past and you've decided, okay, we can't do this. You've
I've decided. Or
no,
she's
both of
decided.
you have
Okay.
just broken up. So you've already treated her. You've already given her the car. So now you're like, okay, we can't do this anymore.
Is it on finance?
That's what I'm asking. So
If
is
it's
it
on finance,
intentional?
so essentially, in your first example, it's financed,
Yeah.
and I'm still gonna be paying for it.
Yeah.
And she's just going to have it.
Okay,
and
if
she's
it's
not
on
doing
finance,
it.
okay, I get it.
This is silly, bro.
Gifted it to her.
Yeah, you're now a
You
stranger
made-
with
you
my
made
car.
that-
You're now a stranger with my car.
you
What's
already-
going on?
You
Wait,
wish.
you already said, okay, I want to get you this car. I can't afford it fully, so I'm going to do it in finance. So if you had paid for it fully, she was going to have the car anyway.
No,
Under
I'm
my,
taking
that's
it back.
if I bought it, that's my
It's still
car.
my car.
No,
though.
it's not, because you've gifted
It
it
is,
to
because if I
someone.
bought it, it's probably the paperwork. It's
Yeah,
probably got my name
it's
on
gonna
it.
be
bruv.
under
so
my
it's my
name.
car.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like,
I get
she
it.
stole the car, bruv.
Yeah, that's
you-
no
it's
longer.
my
That's
car.
no,
You
You
lot
lot
are
that's
moving
going on
mad.
there.
You lot are moving mad.
Hey, listen, guys. If
Don't-
you buy
no,
a car,
I'ma be real. No, I'ma be
buy a
real.
car for a girl, make sure your name's on the paperwork.
Don't
And
buy
also,
gifts.
Wow.
nowadays,
This is wow.
nowadays, I'm not saying anyone in particular, but a lot of girls, you see what they're getting up to nowadays. What's going on in Dubai? Porta points.
Yikes.
People are doing the most for money. It would not surprise me if a girl dated a rich guy after getting a BBL for 10k just to get a car, then to end it with him 3 months later, just to get a free
Not
car.
even 3 months, brother. A month.
Just to get a free car.
But you made that okay, so why don't you collect all of the money you spent on her after a relationship?
Are you
then?
gonna collect?
No, that's different,
everything,
though.
or is it
Why
just
is
like
it
the
different?
car?
Why is it
because
different?
that's just everyday monies that you've been spending. You're not even really
But you still
clocking
giving
it.
it
But
to
a
her.
car, you cannot forget that purchase is there. You can't even be like, that was just like a Chinese buffet we went. If I'm looking at a
20,
25
30
grand
car, do you know what
car,
I'm saying?
that's a constant reminder that girl's not my girl anymore.
Yeah.
What do you mean? So what? She's gonna drive off with that car and link next
Because you
man.
bought it
and
for
link
her.
You know what I'm
next
saying?
man.
No, but the thing is, I'm only gonna buy the woman the car if I know she's my ride or die. That's
There
my
you
woman
go.
now. If
Exactly,
she's
so
switching
your
back-
ride or die,
Exactly.
your
That's what I
ride or
mean.
die is no longer your ride or
Because
die,
I'm
but she
very,
was at one
very-
point.
I'm directing my decisions. I've chosen her. I didn't have to choose her, and I've chosen her. So now you getting the benefits of that. If you mess up, I'm taking that shit. It's gone.
That's gone. Fam.
That sounds so fun. That is so
It's
fun.
ha-
And that's
not, though.
I'm gonna be real. It's probably because I have selected this girl to be my partner now. If it goes south, it's probably because of her.
Hey, my man.
But usually relationships get ended by girls anyway.
Yeah, because they see the next thing that they think they want.
In fact, I see some TikToks where there was one TikTok where this chick, she was talking about how her man looks after her financially, but she realized she didn't like him no more. So she felt like she was just sticking around because he was looking after
Yeah, so
her
is she supposed to
financially.
force herself to be there if she's...
I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying in this instance is that, look, at the end of the day, if you're with me, cool, you're gonna get some benefits of being with me, and some of them will be financial. I might gift you something nice, but if you do some turbulence in a relationship or start being annoying or you end the relationship, you're in the wilderness, fam.
Yeah,
That's you're on your own,
it's
fam.
unfortunate.
Like,
It's unfortunate, but that is on you.
you're not my
As unfortunate
responsibility
it is.
no more, bruv. Like, and that's it. Do you give strangers on the street?
But you didn't give it to her when she was a stranger.
Yeah,
you
but
were
she's a
in love
stranger
with
now.
her.
Yeah.
Wait, you were in love with her when you gave it to her.
I was. No longer. Because
Past
if
tense.
she's messing that up, then that's
Past.
no longer the
So
case.
then there's no difference then. If she gives you a fucking iPad or something on your birthday and you guys break up, then she's able to take it back then.
If she wants it back,
If she wants it back, she can have it back.
I ain't gonna say it like,
That is
I
a
want
really
my
fun. You
iPad.
don't need to change your mentality. That is really
No,
fun.
it's not. It's not.
If you, my thing is, if you give someone something, take it on the chin and let it go.
I think to be honest with you, I think there's levels to it as well. Like
100%,
a car, like a 10, 15, 20 bag car. That's a substantial purchase.
Bearing in mind, in the situation we're talking about, there's no kids involved, so there's no attachment, there's no responsibility.
Who said that?
That's what I'm saying. If there was a kid involved, then of course I would give you a car because that's my kid.
So then,
You know what
if
I'm
she
saying?
has a kid, she can keep a car then.
If that's my
Oh
kid,
yeah,
of
if it's my
course.
kid, yeah, she can have the car. Yeah.
No,
course.
even if it's not your kid, a gift is a gift. You
What,
can't
for
take
her
it.
to
If it's
just
not
wrap-
my, so she's got a kid and it's not mine.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let me pay for the guy that you fucked behind my back. Let me buy your car for that.
Wow.
At the end of the day, if you buy someone something, you
No,
bought it for them.
bruv.
Take the L.
No,
you can't.
bruv.
You can't
I'm
be
not
taking
no
things
L's.
back.
No.
You
Listen,
can't be
With a
taking things
dinner,
back.
you
No.
buy a dinner, you eat it, you digest it, you shit it out.
Exactly. Digest the fact that you bought her a £20,000 car.
With a car,
and shit
with a
it
car,
out.
that car is still that same car. I can take that back if I want to. I ain't
Yeah.
getting that food
I
back. That's
can drive it
impossible.
now.
That's my car now.
That's my car.
I
So
can
you're
do what I want with
My
that car.
name's on the paper.
So you, as a man, are
Yes.
gonna go to her and say, "Give me my car keys."
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, you
Or
don't
I'll
shame.
send the feds.
Yeah, 100.
I don't
That
have to
is
do it
insane.
myself.
That is-
If I buy a car for a girl, cool, you're with me. If you're not with me no more, back to the streets, bruv. Get a car in the streets. There's someone that'll probably get your car in the streets. Or get your own car, bruv.
Yeah.
I don't owe you anything.
Nothing.
You're not my duty or responsibility no more.
Yeah, no
You
more.
are
I know,
linking
I'm
next
gonna
man
be-
now.
I was.
And what
And
you said
that's past.
about duty and responsibility, yeah. Nowadays, that's where I think a lot of men are going wrong. They're seeing a woman and thinking, damn, I want it. Like, we got a hero complex as a man, innit?
Yeah, hero
We see a
shit.
woman and we're thinking, I just want to care for you. I just want to care all of your needs. But then, every single time I've done that, I've always been shown why I shouldn't be doing that. To the wrong girls. They always show me why I can't do that. So you can't gift them the stuff.
Yeah, but
Because
then
when
that
you do,
means
they're
it's
going to
the
mess
girls
up,
that
so you're going to
you
take it back.
chose.
And I've got to learn from that.
Yeah, so you can't like make.
Doesn't mean
You
she's
can't
still
blame
my
the
car.
women.
Like
It
your
doesn't mean
No,
experience,
let
she's
go,
still
go,
my car.
go.
your experience can't be what everybody is. Because if you have like, I mean, I'm not trying to be rude, but if it's every single girl that you had has done you wrong, then maybe you need to change the type of girls that you're going for. Because it's
Most
not all
definitely.
girls that do that. Do you get what I'm saying? So, but I hear what you're saying, though. I hear it.
Yeah, most definitely.
You hear what
I can-
everyone's saying.
Yeah, because
that's a good point as well. And a lot
Everyone's
of guys
making
do
good
need.
points.
We talked about this before because I've definitely attracted them and gone for the wrong girls in the past. Now I found a good girl, a sweet girl, but the ones I've went for in the past, I've definitely learned my lesson from that.